Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. There's a document that was filed on the 20th of February 2025 that is on the public docket. It is the order granting a motion for pro hac vice. What does that mean? This is an out-of-state attorney who is not licensed in the jurisdiction where he or she is seeking to appear and therefore is filing a motion to be allowed to appear within a specific case. And this attorney is quite the powerhouse. This is Bicka Barlow. We saw her testify back when the matter was in Latah County. As an IGG, she's a DNA expert as well as an attorney. And we've done some prior episodes on the Indie Zone podcast. Please listen to them. It will provide you with a synopsis of who she is, what her qualifications are, and how you can find her curriculum vitae that was submitted in this case. But it says here, the court having considered the motion for pro hac vice admission and being fully advised in the premises good cause appearing now therefore, it is hereby ordered that Bicka Barlow be admitted pro hac vice in this case, that Ann Taylor serve as local counsel, so she is Idaho-based counsel, Ms. Taylor, whose attendance shall be required in all court proceedings in which Bicka Barlow appears unless specifically excused by the court. So therefore, when Bicka Barlow appears before the court, Ann Taylor needs to be as local counsel in court also unless specifically excused by Judge Stephen J. Hippler. Next paragraph says that co-counsel Elisa G. Massoth will remain in her position as trial counsel. Jay Logsdon will remain as consulting counsel but will not participate as trial counsel. And this seems to be consistent with Mr. Logsdon's lesser appearances than he did when the matter was in Latah County. He was absent. It appeared at a couple of hearings or came in rather late when the DP motions were entertained back just after the case got transferred from Latah to Ada County, and Mr. Logsdon had written a lot of the motions opposing the DP, but it was basically Ann Taylor, lead counsel, who argued them. So we're going to see less of Jay Logsdon. He's remaining in a consulting position. He will not be at trial. It appears that trial counsel will be Ms. Taylor, continuing in her lead position to Mr. Kohberger, along with Elisa G. Massoth. We learned when this matter first was transferred, when there was that first hearing before Judge Hippler, Ms. Massoth, it came out, was the only attorney that appeared on both sides who had ever appeared before Judge Hippler at any prior time. So she's going to continue on. Now they're joined by DNA expert / attorney Bicka Barlow, and that seems to be the team for the upcoming trial, which is getting here closer and closer every day. I know sometimes it feels like summer of 2025 is a long way away, but we've got the motions in limine that are due the 24th. That's next week. And, some other things that are coming right after that, the submission of the proposed jury questionnaires, and then it'll be the jury instructions. And really, before you know it, it's going to be July 30th when the matter will, in my opinion, commence. I believe that July 30th is the true start of the trial because that's when voir dire happens at 9:00 a.m., when the parties will go through the process of selecting the jury. If you would like to review both the motion to appoint Ms. Barlow and the order to do so, please follow the link that I have provided in the description to this podcast episode, and you can read it for yourself. This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.